Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The overall context here is unchanged. Again, also here, I just made a Bitcoin video. It's the same story. We are here probably still in this A wave to the downside within a larger wave 2, which is currently forecasted as an ABC correction. Corrective patterns morph quickly into other patterns and easily, so we always need to be on our toes. This could of course become something like a WXY or a more complex correction. But currently we're looking here at this as an A wave. The A wave, which would have, started here on the 16th of April, is a 5-wave move. Yeah, at least I see it like that. And in this particular scenario, we are possibly still in this 4th wave. Yeah, this is again where I'm a little bit undecided. I think here on the ETH chart, we have a higher chance that we're already in the 5th. So I would not be surprised if Ethereum drops a little lower, sort of into the here 1754 to roughly 1775 region before it bottoms in the A wave. However, it is possible because of the choppy nature of the decline here that we are still in the 4th wave. I know it seems strange because we made a new low, but that is possible because of the slow movement, yeah, and because the 4th wave can be a so-called expanded flat. What is an expanded flat? It's a pattern in which we have in the A wave a 3-wave move. We have that here. This could be a B wave because it's so choppy, and the C wave could still be coming. The reason why I still consider that is because the 4th wave, with how it's labeled at the moment, would have been very, very short. Not impossible, of course, but we just still need to consider that. Now, a B wave can overshoot by 1.38 times the length of the A wave. That's here at 1803, and we haven't broken that. Yeah? In fact, we've actually reacted to that support now 3 times. So it's just something to watch, okay? But I prefer that we're already in the 5th wave. It would be not very much in line with Bitcoin though. I mean, also on the Bitcoin chart, I'm a bit undecided between these two scenarios here on the lower time frame. But just because the structure leaves both doors open at the moment. And however, they are both part of the higher level scenario that we are in a 5-wave move down within an A wave. So it's just really, are we still in the 4th wave or are we in a 5th already? Okay, so resistance here on the Ethereum chart for the 4th wave remains at 1976. Only if we break above that level, we can consider that we are already in something more bullish, or at least in a more corrective, in a more substantial bounce. That would then be the B wave here. Yeah. So at the moment, again, I assume we are in the 5th wave, but we could still be in the 4th. If we rally, yeah, then my first assumption would be we are in the C wave of the 4th wave. Let me just change that. 4th wave would then sit up here. Yeah, this is the resistance area for the 4th wave, unchanged between 1897 and 1976. We would then have a B wave down here in yellow, and the C wave would play out afterwards. But I have no indication that the C wave has started or anything. Just highlighting it because I've seen this stuff before. In a 4th wave, you can get this overshooting B wave to the downside. Then you get that sudden C wave rally, and then it comes down to finish off in the 5th wave. Absolutely still a likely option. Yeah, and these are the 2 options we need to consider. So, but yeah, above 1976, I would assume we're already in the B wave and that we completed the A wave in some way down here already. But that's not something I follow primarily at the moment. We have made a new low, but this doesn't look like a completed 5-wave move yet, even though it could be complete now. It could be. It's just difficult to say at the moment. Yeah. I have labeled here for you in the previous video a possible ending diagonal in the 5th wave. I have labeled it as a wave. I have labeled it as a wave 1 possibly done, a wave 2 done, a wave A of 3 done, B of 3, C of 3. And we could now be in the 4th wave. Now that might be done now. It could sell off once more in a 5th of 5. Just speculation at the moment, of course, but this is how it could work out as an ending diagonal here. We're coming, you can see this is a pattern of exhaustion. even if it's just a B wave or it's just an ending diagonal in the wave 5 already. But you can see that the buyers are getting stronger. The sellers seem still in control, but the buyers are getting stronger, and we start to see, whereas I haven't checked that, but just want to say we might be seeing here some bullish divergences on the chart. So we are making, let me just see, I haven't checked that before. Okay, so on the 30-minute chart, nothing really noteworthy, but let's see on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so here it seems like we're making slightly lower lows, but slightly higher lows on the RSI. So that is just a very early indication that something could be happening here in terms of a breakout to the upside. It's a very early signal though, nothing too reliable yet. On the 4 hour chart, don't think we see anything here in terms of, well, yeah, you have a bullish divergence here, clearly between that low of the 21st of April and today's low, whereas on the RSI we're making higher lows. So you see that bullish divergence, that's quite noticeable on the 4 hour chart, and that often happens in a fifth wave or towards the end of a third wave. Yeah, that's sort of at the moment what I can tell you about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.